Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. My name is Muhammad Umar. I'm your English instructor for today's lecture. Here's the LIFFT and I hope you solved it, and here is the answer of it. Let's start. Let's see what our learning outcome is today. Use familiar sentence patterns and using knowledge of syllables. Mark vowel sounds in a word. Identify the silent letters, prefixes, suffixes and root words to decode it. Pronounce it correctly and read fluently. And our second learning outcome is apply strategies to comprehend question by making keywords, verbs and tenses in a variety of literal, textual, factual questions that require interpretation and personal response. In these learning outcomes, we can learn that how we can pronounce a word by using a syllable, by dividing the word into syllable. Let's see. Here is the text of our unit number 1. The last sermon of Nabi Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Our beloved Rasul Nabi Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam has been sent as Rahmatul lil Alameen, mercy to all the world. Here the word beloved, if you divide it, be loved, there are 2 syllables in it. Similarly, he is a role model for the whole humanity. We have a word humanity. If you look at it, humanity, if you divide it into syllables, there are 4 syllables in it. And if we talk about the word mercy, mercy has 2 syllables because you can divide it into 2 sounds. Mercy. Then it becomes mercy. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in the Quran, and we have not sent you, O Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, except as a mercy to the world. Nabi Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam delivered a sermon during the Hajj, which came to be known as his final sermon. This final sermon was not only a reminder to his followers but also an important warning. Now let's move to our second learning outcome, in which we have to find the keyword from our question word and then locate it from our passage or text. If you read this question, when did Nabi Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam deliver his last sermon? The keywords in this question is deliver his last sermon. We have to locate it from the text. When we read it further, the final sermon confirms the completion of Nabi Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam's mission. The final sermon was delivered during the Hajj. Here the keyword is deliver. When did Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam last sermon delivered? Here we can find the relevant information in the text by checking the keyword, by finding the keyword. That is how you can find answer of your other questions. Okay, read the text and solve the formative check in your practice book, and then your teacher will assign you homework. Do it in your practice book as well. I hope this lecture is helpful for you. Okay, bachcho, Allah Hafiz.